Hi, everyone. So in order to get through those tech interviews, if you're a data scientist or a technologist, a different type of technologist, like a software engineer, they're going to ask you a lot of string manipulation and a lot of array manipulation questions. In order to get through those questions, you're going to have to go through a lot of these problems, and it's better just to memorize the answers instead of trying, because the more you memorize the answers, you'll see similar patterns. You'll be able to more quickly answer the questions, because the idea is they really just want you to know the answer. They really don't care how you think about it. They just care about that the answer is correct. They do say that they just want to hear your thinking, but that's actually them being nice for when you don't get the answer, of saying, hey, you didn't get the answer, we're not going to hire you. So let's go one first. So for example, what we want to do is check if a string is a palindrome. So a palindrome is just when backwards and forwards a word is exactly the same. So ABBA, if I reverse it, ABBA would be ABBA. And what I would want to do is create a function that checks that. So I create this isPal function, and you can see if I give it ABABA, it'll be true. But if I add another character, it'll be false, because it'll be reversed and it won't be correct. So that's the first step. But usually they'll say, okay, well, now you have ABBKA. If you make one change, is it still a palindrome? Yeah, because if I remove the K, it will be. But how do I do that programmatically? So in order to do that programmatically, you want to say, create a function called close to pal, and then return. And then what you want to do is, first you want to just check if the string is a palindrome. So right off the bat, just check if it is and return true. If it's not, return false. However, we got to check if if we can change one character, if it's still going to work. So what we're going to do is say for I in range, the length of the string, and what we're going to create is a new string, which will be equal to the string up until the index plus the index plus 1, the string cut by the index plus 1 to the end of the string. And review your Python slicing methods. JavaScript has the same stuff. All computer languages has a lot of string manipulation. They all kind of do it a little differently. But whatever language you feel most comfortable with, the companies usually let you do that. So then you're going to say if new string. You just want to check if new string is a palindrome and give it the new string. And then just return true if it's true. And we can check. Let's take close to pal. ABBA is true. Let's put a K at the end, see if it's still true. Still true. If we put another K at the end, now it's false. All right, so that's how you could check if two strings are close to one another. Stay tuned. There'll be more videos around this. Also, diving into data science. Let's get new jobs in this new economy. It's going to be really important, and it's important because a lot of these jobs are completely new. There's just no going back to school for them. They're in high demand. Just learn the skills and get out there and work and make some money. All right, thank you.